the 2009 Buick Lucerne. This four-door sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, power windows, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium leather seats provide maximum comfort, wrapping drivers and passengers in a shroud of luxury. Multiple drivers will appreciate the memory system, keeping track of unique seating, steering wheel and audio settings and positions, as well as other features. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.